NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 5. Selling goods in small quantities to the consumers is a function of the A. Agent, B. Distributor, C. Producer, D. Retailer, E. Wholesaler. So this concept is the chain of distribution. So that chain, the chain of distribution refers to the channel through which goods and services pass from the producer to the consumer. So that channel through which goods pass from the producer in order to get to the consumer is known as the chain of distribution. And the chain of distribution is made up of the producer, the wholesaler, then the retailer, and then the consumer. Now, the producer, of course, manufactures the goods. The wholesaler buys from producer and sells in smaller units to the retailer. So the wholesaler breaks the bulk of the goods, and then the retailer buys in smaller units from the wholesalers, and then sells in smaller quantities again to the consumer. So selling goods in small quantities to the consumers is the function of the retailer, which is option D. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.